If you're looking to create high-converting Google Ads with minimal effort, AdCreative AI is your solution. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can use this powerful AI tool to not only create ads faster, but also increase your conversion rates. Stick around because by the end, you'll know exactly how to make ads that capture attention and drive results. Before we dive in, I want to let you know that you can try AdCreative AI completely free through the first link in the description below. Plus, we've got some exclusive bonuses for you, so don't miss out on that offer. Let's talk about how AdCreative AI works. Essentially, it's designed to help you generate high-converting Google Ads without having to spend hours creating and tweaking them. The software uses AI to analyze data and generate copy that's optimized for conversion, saving you time and effort while ensuring your ads are top-notch. To get started, you simply enter details about your business and what you're promoting. AdCreative AI will then generate several creative options for your Google Ads, tailored specifically to your goals and target audience. The beauty of this is that you don't need to be an expert in ad copywriting to produce effective ads. The AI does all the heavy lifting for you. One of the key features that sets AdCreative AI apart is its ability to integrate with your Google Ads account, so you can easily upload your new creatives directly into your campaigns. This eliminates the need for any manual uploads or switching between different platforms. All the hard work is done in one place, making the process incredibly streamlined. But it's not just about generating ad copy. AdCreative AI also takes into account the visual aspect of your ads. It can help you create eye-catching ad designs that will grab your audience's attention right away. You can select from a variety of templates or customize the look and feel to match your brand. This means that you're not only getting the right message, but also presenting it in a way that resonates with your target market. Now here's where things get really interesting. The AI continually learns and improves. The more you use it, the better it becomes at creating ads that deliver results. It optimizes your creatives based on performance data, making it a tool that grows more powerful the longer you use it. This kind of intelligence is something you just can't get with traditional methods. If you're worried about needing advanced skills or understanding complicated metrics, don't. AdCreative AI makes everything simple, providing easy-to-read analytics that show you how your ads are performing and which elements are driving the best results. This data-driven approach helps you refine your strategy and improve conversions without any guesswork. But what really sets this apart is how fast you can get results. Instead of spending hours crafting ads and analyzing data, you can create and launch high-converting ads in minutes. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced marketer, this software can help you achieve better performance in a fraction of the time. Before we wrap up, let me remind you that you can get an extended free trial of AdCreative AI with our exclusive link below. That means you can start creating high-converting Google Ads right away without any cost. This is your chance to test out the software risk-free and see firsthand how it can elevate your campaigns. So, if you're ready to simplify your Google Ads creation process and maximize conversions, AdCreative AI is the tool you've been waiting for. Make sure to grab your free trial, start creating better ads, and watch your results improve. Don't forget to check the link below for your extended free trial and exclusive bonuses.